so as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a full face of NYX Cosmetics. I've never actually done a full face of NYX, but a lot of NYX's products I do love. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing the look that I can create with these products, you're in the right place, and just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm just gonna do this really quickly. This is the NYX Bear With Me lip conditioner. I use this all the time. Alright, so I have two different products for the brows. I have the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette. And then I also have the Taman Frame, which is also in the shade Brunette. I've never used this, so I think that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so it is a nice micro brow pencil. One end is a spoolie. This is the tip. It works really good, actually. I don't know, my brows are not being the friendliest to me. Okay, I'm also going to go into the Taman Frame pomade just a little bit. Okay, yeah, that looks better. Alright, next I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm just going to use the concealer that I have. This is the Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Vanilla. For eyeshadow, I only have this palette right here. Because the other palette that I have is literally all bright colors. There's no shimmer or anything. So I just went ahead and got this palette. I can make a few different looks out of just these colors. So I was like, we're gonna go in with these. Alright, so to set my whole lid, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. And I'm using one of these so I don't like contaminate the shades. Next I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna put that on my crease. Or in my crease. So I'm gonna deepen it up with this one right here.
When are they coming? There's the ghost of time today.
Shit. Okay, I have two NYX liners. I have the NYX Professional Matte Liquid Liner, and then I also have the NYX Professional Epic Ink Liner. I heard good things about both, but I guess I go with the Epic one. I don't know. I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay, next is mascara. This is the only mascara I have from NYX, and this came free with like a certain amount of money spent at NYX or something. So this is the NYX On The Rise Volume Mascara. And now I'm moving on to the face, and I have a couple of primers actually, but the one I use the most is the Hydra Touch, which you can see I use it. But I have never tried the Bear With Me Radiant Perfecting Primer, and I haven't tried the Pore Filler either. So I've had these sitting in my collection, and I think I'm going to give them a try. I'm going to put the Pore Filler just right here, and around like my mouth and right here, and then everything, and then I'll put this, yeah, you'll see what this looks like. And this is the Pore Filler. Alright, I'm gonna go in with the, what is this called? Skin Perfecting. Oh, okay. This is like liquid highlighter, it looks like. So this is gonna be like the cheekbones. The high points, really. Okay. And then my hydrating everywhere else on the face. And on the neck. Oop, gotta be careful. I got a tattoo done right here. So, gotta try to not touch it. I keep forgetting that, and then when I go to put on bronzer, I'm like, ooh. Alright, so next is foundation, and I have the Born to Glow. I do have two different shades. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Warm Vanilla. Might be okay. I don't know. Turn that down. Okay, next for concealer, I have two different shades. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Vanilla, and also
Looks like I interrupted some master work.
you are. Alright, so next I'm going to go back into my lower lash line, and I am going to take these two right here and run them along my lower lash line. Put the darker color here and then the lighter one there. Okay, next is blush, and I'm going to be using this NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush, and this is just in the shade Rose and Play. Okay, this is what it looks like. No color. I mean, no smell. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's a pretty pink. Okay, next is highlight, and this is the NYX Professional High Glass Illuminating Powder, and this is in the shade Moon Glow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to clean my highlighting brush. I don't know where my Morphe one is. It's in there with all my brushes, I guess. Well, this is Morphe, but it's the Jeffree Star Morphe one. So this is what. Oh, I don't see anything on the brush, but let's see. Okay, it's there. It's very subtle, but it's there. Let me try the other brush. So I'm gonna try my Morphe brush, like my other one. I don't know, that Jeffree Star one, it just isn't working for me. Super subtle. Is this a cream? That's why. It is a cream highlighter. Okay, well. I was wondering why. Okay. Alright, next is the lips. I did not get a lip liner. And honestly, I don't really have great choices for lips either. But I do have three. The first one is the NYX Harmony lipstick, the Shout Loud satin one. This color is way too out there. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, it smells really good. So this shade I cannot use. So. And I have two butter glosses. These are the shades Praline and Madeline. I think I'm gonna go in with both of them because, I mean, why not? You know? Alright, and the very last thing is to set it in place. This is the NYX Bear With Me Prime, Set, and Refresh Multitasking 8-Hour Spray. That was like the longest name ever for some reason. It looks like this. I've only used this like once or twice. I mean, and I like it, so. Alright, so this is how the look turned out. Honestly, I like it. Not even gonna lie. It could be better, of course. So, let's just talk quickly about the products that I used and what I did and didn't like, what worked for me, what didn't work and what did. Honestly, at the top of my head, everything worked for me. The only thing I think I would change would be the shade of the foundation, because I need a shade like dead center of the two shades that I got, because I have to mix them and I don't like mixing. But I mean, this looks really good. The eyeshadow palettes, I like it. It's pigmented. It serves its purpose. However, you don't get that many shades in here, and I don't know, I feel like these shades are in other palettes that I have as well. So do I really need this? No. But do I like it? Of course. Is it good? Yes. So I like that. The bronzer, blush, and highlight. I absolutely love the highlighter. However, I didn't know it was a cream highlight until after I literally did everything. The blush is a really pretty shade. I do like this. It's like the perfect pop of pink. As for the bronzer, I think I need a different shade. It is a little too dark for me. So I think I'm going to try the shade medium, or the shade light, I'm sorry, instead of the shade medium. The lip gloss, I love the butter glosses. They're so pretty. And right here you can see where I got the eyeshadow messed up. So I like the eyeliner. Works really well. The brow pencil and the brow pomade, I love them as well. So, oh, and I absolutely love my lip conditioner. So definitely get this.